Across our planet, a hidden world teems with life. It is a world beneath our feet, a world of intricate ecosystems and vital processes. This is the world of soil, crucial to our existence. From lush rainforests to arid deserts, soil diversity is shaped by nature. Climate, geology, and organisms create this diversity. Temperature, rainfall, and erosion contribute to soil's unique traits. Understanding soil is crucial for life on Earth. This balance results in diverse soil types. Each type supports different plants and ecosystems. From fertile alluvial soils to rich black soils, the earth beneath our feet is diverse. We will explore soil formation, diversity, and its role in sustaining life. Soil is far more than just dirt beneath our feet. It is the lifeblood of our planet, a complex living ecosystem teeming with unseen organisms. It is the foundation upon which our entire food system rests, providing the essential nutrients and support for plant growth. Without healthy soil, life as we know it would cease to exist. Plants, the primary producers of our planet, depend entirely on soil for their survival. Their roots burrow through the layers of soil, anchoring them in place and drawing up vital nutrients and water. These nutrients, in turn, fuel the growth of plants, providing the sustenance that supports entire ecosystems. But the importance of soil extends far beyond plant life. It acts as a vast reservoir, storing and filtering water, regulating its flow and preventing both floods and droughts. It provides a habitat for a staggering diversity of organisms, from microscopic bacteria and fungi to burrowing insects and small mammals. This intricate web of life within the soil plays a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem, and contributing to the Earth's natural cycles. Understanding the vital role of soil in supporting this intricate web of life is essential for appreciating the importance of its conservation. The diversity of soils across our planet is a testament to the powerful forces that shape our world. Two striking examples of this diversity are alluvial soils and black soils, each with distinct characteristics and vital roles to play. Alluvial soils, found in river valleys and deltas, are the product of centuries of deposition. As rivers flow, they carry with them fine particles of silt and clay, depositing them along their banks and in floodplains. This constant replenishment makes alluvial soils some of the most fertile on Earth, rich in nutrients and ideal for agriculture. In stark contrast, black soils, also known as rigueur soils, are characterized by their dark, almost black color. This dark hue stems from their high clay content, which allows them to retain moisture exceptionally well. Found in regions with distinct wet and dry seasons, black soils are particularly suited for crops like cotton, which thrive in these conditions. These two soil types represent just a glimpse into the remarkable diversity of the Earth's skin. Each soil type, shaped by unique geological and climatic forces, possesses distinct properties that dictate its suitability for different forms of life. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective land management and sustainable agriculture. As we journey further into the world of soils, we encounter an even greater array of types, each with its own story to tell. Red soils, laterite soils, sandy soils, clay soils, and peat soils all contribute to the intricate tapestry of Earth's land surface. Red soils are characterized by their reddish hue, a result of iron oxide. These soils are typically porous and well-drained, suitable for crops that prefer drier conditions. Laterite soils form in regions with high rainfall and warm temperatures. This intense weathering process leaves behind a soil rich in iron and aluminum oxides. This remarkable diversity of soil types underscores the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Section 5. Unmasking the Earth, identifying soil types. Understanding the characteristics of different soil types is essential for effective land management, sustainable agriculture, and appreciating the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. But how can we differentiate between these diverse soil types? One of the simplest ways is by observing the soil's color. As we've seen, red soils get their hue from iron oxides, while black soils owe their dark color to their high clay content. Sandy soils often appear light brown or grayish, while peat soils are typically dark brown or black due to their high organic matter content. Texture, determined by the size of soil particles, offers another clue. Sandy soils feel gritty, while clay soils feel smooth and sticky when wet. Silt soils have a slippery texture, while loam soils, a desirable mixture of sand, silt and clay, feel crumbly and fertile. Water holding capacity, another key characteristic, can be assessed by observing how quickly water drains through a soil sample. Sandy soils drain rapidly, while clay soils retain water for extended periods. By carefully observing these characteristics, color, texture, and water holding capacity, we can begin to unravel the mysteries of the earth beneath our feet. This understanding allows us to appreciate the remarkable diversity of soils and make informed decisions about their management and conservation. Section 6. The human footprint, waste and degradation. The Earth's soil, a vital and often overlooked resource, faces increasing pressure from human activities. Our insatiable demand for resources, coupled with unsustainable practices, has led to widespread soil degradation, threatening the delicate balance of ecosystems and jeopardizing our own well-being. Improper waste disposal, a growing concern in our consumer-driven society, poses a significant threat to soil health. Landfills overflowing with plastic, electronic waste, and hazardous materials leach harmful chemicals into the surrounding soil, contaminating water sources and harming both plant and animal life. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion and logging, strips the land of its protective cover, leaving the soil vulnerable to erosion by wind and rain. This loss of topsoil, the most fertile layer, reduces soil fertility and disrupts the delicate balance of ecosystems. Unsustainable agricultural practices, often focused on short-term gains, further exacerbate soil degradation. Intensive tilling disrupts soil structure, leaving it susceptible to erosion, while the overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides disrupts soil biodiversity and pollutes water resources. These human-induced pressures underscore the urgent need for a fundamental shift in our relationship with the Earth's soil. We must recognize its vital importance, adopt sustainable practices, and prioritize its conservation for present and future generations. Soil degradation affects the environment, human societies, and economies. Degrading our food system risks future food security and well-being. Soil erosion from deforestation and unsustainable practices reduces crop yields. This leads to food shortages, higher prices, and social unrest. Soil compaction from machinery and overgrazing increases flood risks. Rainwater runoff carries away topsoil, further degrading the land. Loss of soil biodiversity disrupts ecosystems. Soil organisms are crucial for nutrient cycling and soil structure. Their decline weakens ecosystems, making them more vulnerable. Soil degradation is an environmental, societal, and economic issue. We must adopt sustainable practices to protect this vital resource. The impact of soil degradation extends far beyond reduced crop yields and environmental damage. Soil pollution, a silent threat lurking beneath the surface, poses significant risks to human health, contaminating our food chain and jeopardizing our well-being. Heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and arsenic can accumulate in soils through industrial emissions, mining activities, and the improper disposal of electronic waste. These toxic metals, absorbed by plants, find their way into the food chain, posing serious health risks to both humans and animals. Pesticides and herbicides, widely used in agriculture to control pests and weeds, can persist in soils for years, contaminating groundwater and accumulating in crops. Exposure to these chemicals has been linked to a range of health problems, including cancer, reproductive disorders, and birth defects. Pharmaceutical residues, increasingly found in soils and water bodies, present an emerging concern. Antibiotics, painkillers, and other medications, improperly disposed of or entering the environment through agricultural runoff, can disrupt ecosystems and potentially contribute to antibiotic resistance. The contamination of our soils is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of human health and the environment. Protecting soil health is not just about preserving ecosystems. It is about safeguarding our own well-being and ensuring a healthy future for generations to come. The challenges facing our planet's soil are significant, but they are not insurmountable. By embracing sustainable practices, promoting responsible land management, and raising awareness about the importance of soil conservation, we can protect this vital resource for generations to come. Sustainable agriculture, with its focus on minimizing environmental impact, offers a pathway to restoring soil health and ensuring long-term food security. Practices like crop rotation, cover cropping and no-till farming help improve soil structure, enhance nutrient cycling, and reduce erosion. Reducing waste and promoting responsible waste management are crucial steps in preventing soil contamination. This includes minimizing packaging, properly disposing of hazardous materials, and embracing circular economy principles that prioritize reuse and recycling. Reforestation efforts, aimed at restoring degraded lands, play a vital role in preventing soil erosion, enhancing biodiversity, and mitigating climate change. Trees act as natural barriers, holding soil in place, improving water infiltration, and providing habitat for wildlife. Educating future generations about the importance of soil conservation is paramount. By instilling an understanding of soil's vital role in supporting life, we can empower individuals to become stewards of the land, making informed choices that protect this precious resource. The Earth's soil, a living, breathing entity, is a precious resource, essential for life and often taken for granted. Its degradation, driven by unsustainable practices and a disconnect from the natural world, threatens not only ecosystems but also our own well-being. The time for action is now. We must move beyond awareness and embrace concrete steps to protect and restore our planet's soil. Governments, industries, and individuals all have a role to play in this critical endeavor. Support policies that promote sustainable land management practices, invest in research and innovation in the field of soil science, and hold industries accountable for their environmental impact. As consumers, we can make conscious choices, supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability and minimizing our own environmental footprints. Let us remember that the soil beneath our feet is not just dirt. It is the foundation of life, a precious resource that sustains us all. By working together, we can protect this vital resource, ensuring a healthy and prosperous future for generations to come. The Earth's soil is a gift, a legacy to be cherished, nurtured, and passed on to future generations, ensuring the continuation of life as we know it.